our giveaway for Nina Pro. This giveaway is worth $5,000 for the grand prize winner, and this includes one welding machine, the course, and then permanent jewelry that will make you over $6,400 for your permanent jewelry business. So excited! We are going to pick a winner from our long list of people who applied for this giveaway. We have over 150 people on this list, and we didn't want to just randomly pick a number, so we came here today to talk to a stranger over here in Union Station to help us pick the winner. Hello!
Hi!
Hi!
What's up?
Would you be interested in helping us change someone's life for like the best possible way?
Yeah, sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so we're doing a giveaway with Wynn Pro, and this winner that you're going to help us select.
I picked the winner?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So this is a big deal.
Okay.
So this winner gets a grand prize of almost $5,000, which includes a welding machine, a course, and permanent jewelry to help them launch their entire permanent jewelry career.
Wow.
So a lot is in your hands.
Oh my
Are you
God.
ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So everyone who applied to be in this giveaway, we have on this list here. So don't look at the list.
Okay.
But we have over 150 people. We have 158 total. So we need your help in picking a completely random number.
Okay.
And I'm gonna, between 1 and 158. And then that person is from this list is gonna be our winner.
Okay.
That you picked.
I picked now?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do 94.
94?
94. Yep, that's what I
Okay. That's a good one. All right. 94.
94.
Okay. So the winner is number 94, who is Kelsey Snyder. What?
Congrats, Kelsey. Congrats.
So Kelsey Snyder, if you're on our live right now, congratulations. You are the winner of this giveaway.
Yeah, congrats, Kelsey.
Thank you so much for picking a winner. Thank
no
you.
problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Yeah.
Awesome.
Right.
Okay.
And that was Kelsey. Could you spell her name for me?
Snyder.
K-O.
Kelci, and then Snyder, Snyder. So we'll wait to hear back from Kelsey, but let's go ahead and find 3 other people to ask to select random winners for us for the $500 gift cards. All right. We are doing a giveaway. We have the people who entered on this list right here. We have 1 through 158. So if you could help us select a random winner by selecting a number 1 through 158 without using number 94, that would be so helpful.
75.
75. Okay.
That was great.
Thank you so much.
I picked 75.
Lucky 75. Okay. So number 75 is Samantha Parker.
Okay.
Samantha, are you on?
Samantha, wave if you're on.
Maybe?
Samantha Parker.
Samantha Parker.
Does that say what city it's from? Does it have a city on there?
No.
Let's have a city. Exactly. Good job. Okay, I'm going to use it.
All right. So we need 2 more.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Awesome.
Hey, guys.
And we literally have all of our entrants right here on this, these pieces of paper. So we have 158 people total in this giveaway. And would you be willing to help us just randomly pick a number 1 through 158? Not using 75 or 94.
82.
82. Okay. Okay. Number 82 is Tony Sunice.
Tony
T-O-N-I.
Why did you pick that number?
I don't know, 82 just sounds like a fun number.
It is a fun number. And it's Tony's number. So Tony, if you're out there, you are the winner of our second $500 gift card.
spell Tony's last name?
Yes, it's S-E-N-I-S-E. And S-E-N-I-S-E. Thank you guys so much.
Of course.
Okay. We have one more random. Oh,
Excuse me, can you help us out? We're giving away money. And
We're
you
doing
just
a
have to pick
giveaway.
number.
Okay.
And we literally just need help picking a random number.
Okay.
So all of the entrants are on these pieces of paper, and we have 158 people total on this list. And we just need a random number between 1 and 158 that's not 82, 75, or 94. And this person wins a $500 gift card.
142.
Oh, hi. Okay. Thank you so
Yes, no
much. We
problem.
really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Okay. 142.
142.
I'm so impressed that you remember the other two numbers. You have a good memory for numbers.
I like numbers. Okay. 142 is Jocelyn Gomara. Jocelyn, are you on?
And spell the last name.
You are our last winner. So Jocelyn's last name is G-O-M-O-R-A. O-R-A.
Can we take notes or do we have to watch the whole thing over? I couldn't remember all of it, but I'm dyslexic. So. Amazing!
All right, well, we have all of our winners. So thank you so much for tuning in, and congratulations to all of those winners.